How to make a TNT fireworks. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, this is the first one I make. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works. Just gonna do the fireworks. There. Okay, so guys. Oh wait. Okay, so guys. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. Shit. I'm trapped. Oh, there. I'm free. Okay, here you're gonna follow that instruction, and you gonna explode your mommy butt. There, explodes mom butt. Work. Okay, guys. Just first, you're gonna do like this. 4 block here, and dig. Dig this one. Just follow it. Okay. I will not talk now, guys, but just follow my instruction. Okay. I'm just gonna talk if I want to talk. So let's go.
I'm Orion, breezy. Yo, chick. What's that on that beat? Yo. If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me, and all them other niggas where they supposed to pay. Oh, the hoes go for me. Now your chicks in the pic like post for me. Oh, that's how I supposed to pay. Yeah, that's how I supposed to pay. Yeah, that's how I supposed to pay. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the.
Okay, guys. Enough that. Okay, got 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Continue like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Shit. 1, 2, shit. 1, 2, shit. 1, 2, shit. 1, 2, shit. Okay. Okay, guys. So I will do this. There's so. Shut up. Okay, guys. Wait. So okay, guys, we're back. Just they are so talkable. I'm making a video. Okay, guys. Just look so small, but it's big in here. Just okay. Just follow this instruction. If you do this, it will not work. Or some like that, it will not work. Just do this. Okay, here we go. Just surround it. Getting like supposed to be. There, we're done. And put the button here. Okay, guys, it's time to work. Okay. What? Wait. I think something wrong in here. There's nothing wrong. So okay, you add one here. Add more. There. So it's good now. 1, 2. Okay, you're gonna. If you put that, it will work. Okay, guys, are you ready? I know you're ready to see it. What the heck is weather? Freaking thunder weather. Boom! Yay! Work! There's no damage, guys. So Okay, guys, we're here now. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. And in my next video, I will do the TNT cannon tutorial. This is the TNT fireworks tutorial. Okay, guys, and don't forget to subscribe me, and also subscribe my video that I make. What is video? Not the house. It's so you know, so hard to make a tutorial of this house. It's just my imagination. Okay, here. This is we call the escalator. So if you're up, you're gonna see my beds. There's no light. The heck? There we go. We have light now. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, and bye, bro.